I'm Lavanya. I did my bachelor's degree in commerce and master's in computer applications. I started my career at ICICI Bank as a customer service officer. Over the time, I was promoted as customer service manager and then to assistant manager. So while working in the banking sector, I came to know that and realized that how data plays an important role in decision making and enhancing customer experiences. That's why I have chosen this particular role in school, and I'm very happy with my decision also.
Who has a family to take care, you have a child to take care. So how difficult is it to manage? I'm sure it is difficult. I'm sure it is. So how do you manage it? So firstly, thank you so much for joining this podcast, Lavanya. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you for the opportunity also, sir.
Right. So, Lavanya, so first and foremost, మీరు మీ గురించి చెప్పగలరా? I mean, where are you from? A little bit about your background, education, etc., etc.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm Lavanya. I did my bachelor's degree in commerce and master's in computer applications. Sir. I started my career at ICICI Bank as a customer service officer, where I gained experience in customer needs and solving problems. Over the time, I was promoted as customer service manager and then to assistant manager, so that I am capable to handle a team and more insights into the customer needs, all those things. That's all about my educational background and my experience.
Right, right. So, Lavanya, why, when you thought of a career, when you thought of launching a career, why did you particularly choose data science? అంటే డేటా సైన్స్లో మీకు ఏమి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అనిపించింది? ఆర్ అసలు మీకు ఎందుకు డేటా అసలు సింప్లీ డేటా సైన్స్ అసలు ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు టు లాంచ్ యువర్ కెరియర్ ఆర్ స్విచ్ యువర్ కెరియర్?
While working in the banking sector, I came to know that and realized that how data plays an important role in decision making and enhancing customer experiences. It's very important that we need to collect data about the customer experiences. So, combining my banking knowledge and also computer applications, I felt like this is a natural choice for me, so that I can combine my goals and experience with my passions. So, I'm very curious about the data science at that time, how it playing important role in all these business analysis and all those things. That's why I have chosen this particular field.
I see, I see. That's interesting. That's definitely interesting, Lavanya.
Yes, sir, because
So,
I have experience in both commerce, business sector as well as computer applications. So I felt like it's a good choice for me.
absolutely, absolutely. I think, and I'm sure you made the right choice. So, when you thought of taking a course, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు జాబ్ చేద్దాము అదంతా సెకండరీ, బట్ ఫస్ట్ స్కిల్స్ నేర్చుకుందాము, దీంట్లో కొద్దిగా ట్యూన్ అవుదాం అన్నప్పుడు, వెన్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ షాప్డ్ అరౌండ్ లిటిల్ బిట్. అంటే మనం ఆఫ్లైన్ ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకుందాం ఏదైనా ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్కి వెళ్ళి, ఆర్ షుడ్ ఐ టేక్ ఇట్ ఆన్లైన్, ఇలాంటి వేరియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండుంటాయి కదా. సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ డిస్కవర్ ఓడెన్ స్కూల్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్?
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా నేను చాలా సైట్స్ చెక్ చేశాను సార్. ఐ గో త్రూ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఆన్లైన్ రీసెర్చ్. ఐ డిడ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఆన్లైన్ రీసెర్చ్ అబౌట్ ద డేటా సైన్స్ కోర్స్, trainers, all those things. Then I came to know about the Odin school, and sir, I have gone through all the previous students' testimonials and also their their experiences, all those learnings. I just read all those things. Then I felt like that this is the only one which is going to provide the real time experience, like sir, giving real time projects and industry works to the students. So I felt, and I joined here, sir, actually.
పర్ఫెక్ట్, పర్ఫెక్ట్. అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎందుకు అడిగానంటే లావణ్య, సి యాజ్ అన్ ఇండియన్ కస్టమర్, మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్స్ మనం ఎలాగంటే మనం పెట్టేది ₹5 50,000 5 lakhs అని, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆలోచించాము.
Yes,
బట్
sir.
వి థింక్ ఎవ్రీ పెన్నీ మనకు వర్త్ ఉండాలి. సో
Every
వి డూ
penny
అ లాట్
has
ఆఫ్
to be
ఎక్స్‌టెన్సివ్
worth.
రిసర్చ్.
Yeah.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ. సో వి డూ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్‌టెన్సివ్ రిసర్చ్. అందుకనే నేను ఆ క్వెషన్ అడిగాను. సో
యాక్చువల్లీ సార్ నేను థియరటికల్ పార్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే ఐ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఈవెన్ త్రూ గూగుల్ ఆల్సో ఐ కెన్ లెర్న్ ఇట్. సో
అబ్సల్యూట్లీ.
మెనీ సోర్సెస్
అబ్సల్యూట్లీ.
ఆర్
యెస్.
అవైలబుల్. But
యెస్.
I came to know that Odin School is the only one who is giving the real time. We can feel the real time experience with the projects
రైట్.
and also industrial work, all those things. That's why I
కరెక్ట్.
have chosen this particular Odin School, and I'm
కరెక్ట్.
very happy with my decision now, sir.
I'm so glad for that feedback, Lavanya. And I'm sure if I share this feedback internally, my instructors gani,
Really,
my
sir,
team
it's
kuda.
not like sir, everything is there available, sir. Just we need to go through all those things, and if you practice, keep on practice, it's not at all difficult to get a job, sir. It's all, yeah, everything is in a plate. You have to eat, you decide how you
That
will eat.
that's the right way to put it. అంటే ఇది ఒక బుఫే లాంటిది. Now what is it that you want to eat, or what you like, what you prefer is something you have to decide and make use of it.
Exactly,
So I
sir. I
think
mean to say that.
మీరు దాన్ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఒక యాప్ట్ వేలో పెట్టారు, లావణ్య. సో సో ఫార్ ఇట్స్ బీన్ హౌ మెనీ మంత్స్ విత్ ఓడెన్ స్కూల్, లావణ్య? 3 months, 4 months?
Yeah, it has been 3 months, sir. It's going on actually. I completed SQL module and Excel, as well as Power BI is going on. So statistics part also, theoretical part we completed, sir.
రైట్. రైట్. సో ఇప్పుడు వీకెండ్‌లో మీకు సాటర్‌డే 3 అవర్స్ సెషన్, సండే 3 అవర్స్ సెషన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, లావణ్య.
అవును
అండ్
సార్,
దెన్
అవును.
ఈ 6 అవర్స్ కాకుండా హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ డు యూ కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ ఆన్ యువర్ లెర్నింగ్స్ త్రూఅవుట్ ద వీక్? ఈ 6 అవర్స్ కాకుండా.
Sir, actually, I divided, sir. Actually, at a stretch, it not possible as a housewife.
అబ్సల్యూట్.
Yeah,
కరెక్ట్. కరెక్ట్.
that's why
100%.
I segregated in 3 ways, sir. Morning 1.5 hour, afternoon
ఓకే.
around 2 hours. There I will get most of the time in the afternoon, and evening time 1.5 hour. Like that, I segregate all together 5 to 6 hours. I will spend on this, so that
ఓ వావ్!
everything,
ఓకే.
yeah, everything will be cleared, sir. If we listen the recordings will be provided by Odin School. So if we listen recordings again and again, you will get all the information. No need to keep all the doubts and getting confused. Everything is there in the recordings. If you go through, I get any doubt also, if I refer to the recordings, everything will be clarified.
Excellent, excellent, Lavanya. Again, I mean, see, like you said, again, going back to our previous question, మీరు చెప్పినట్టు అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. You got to
Yes, sir.
utilize it. You
Everything
have
is
to
in
be
the plate,
interested.
and how
అంతే.
you eat is your capabilities. That's it, sir.
Correct, correct. So, so far in this journey, if I had to ask you, what are certain aspects that you liked about Odin School, what would they be, Lavanya?
Boarding schools, sir, they are like, sir, everything like how they will teach at school level, sir, like, the A, B, like that, everything. They will start from the basics, sir. Even someone from non-IT background also, they can opt for it, because everything they will start from the scratch, and everything, like, sir, everything is clear. I mean to say, everything is clear, and I like the processor, one by one, like a baby footsteps, we say, no, sir, like that they will go. Not
Absolutely.
at a stretch they will go to the advanced level like that. They will start with the basics, and slowly they increase the level, and they make us to land on practicals.
గ్రేట్, గ్రేట్. సో హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్లాసులన్నీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎప్పుడన్నా మీకు ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం కాకపోవడం కానీ, దానికోసం మీరు ఎవరైనా రీచ్ అవుట్ అవ్వడం కానీ జరిగిందా?
Yes, sir. And నాకు ఏదైనా particular topic, if I did not understand, then I will go through the recordings, sir. Even recordings లో కూడా, if I find that I didn't get that particular point, if I mail to the Odin School, within 2 to 3 hours they get back to me, they will clarify. By the end of day, definitely they will clarify all the doubts, sir.
Well, correct. That's right. That's so nice to hear, Lavanya. So, you know, since you are somebody who has a family to take care, you have a child to take care. So, how difficult is it to manage? I'm sure it is difficult. I mean, I'm sure it is. So, how do you manage? You said you segregate time. and stuff. But are you able to contribute అదే అంటే రోజు అంతే టైంని రెగ్యులర్గా ఇవ్వగలుగుతారా? హౌ డిఫికల్ట్ ఇస్ ఇట్ అండ్ హౌ డూ యూ కీప్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ మోటివేటెడ్?
Sir, it's difficult but not impossible, sir, actually. So I need to definitely previous day itself I will plan if class is there. First of all, I will finish with my all household work and I will inform to my kids, and so that they don't disturb me in the middle, sir. Once I'm done with the class, I will spend with them, and again once they go to the school, I will spend all the time in module, all those things, this class recordings, all those things, so that whenever they are not there at the home, I will use the total time for my learning. Once they come back from the school, I will spend the time with them, so like that I planned actually.
Excellent, excellent. I think that's how you're doing it is commendable, Lavanya, and I respect you for that.
Thank you.
I think that kind of dedication is definitely required.
Yes.
Because see, people think, see, data science is definitely for everybody, irrespective of what background you're coming from. మీ career gap ఉందా, మీ నాన్ ఐటీ నుండి వచ్చారా, ఇట్స్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీబడి. దట్స్ అ గుడ్ థింగ్ అబౌట్ డేటా సైన్స్. కాకపోతే మీరు చెప్పినట్టు యూ హ్యావ్ టు డెడికేట్ సమ్ క్వాలిటీ టైం. బికాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే, బేసిక్స్లో మీరు స్ట్రాంగ్గా లేకపోతే, ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే ఇట్ డజంట్ సర్వ్ ద పర్పస్. సో హౌ యూ ప్లాన్డ్ ఇట్, ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ కమెండబుల్. బికాస్ నాకు తెలిసి I don't think somebody else is motivating you. You yourself are very motivated.
Yeah, we have to motivate, sir, because
Yes, absolutely,
it should be
absolutely.
continuous process, so we should not be
Correct,
dependent
correct.
on someone else.
Right. So if you go back, before joining Odin School, మీరు డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నారు దట్ నేను Odin Schoolకి Odin Schoolలో జాయిన్ అవుతానని చెప్పి. How do you see that as a decision today?
So I told you, sir, it's so far so good, sir, and it has been a very positive one. Like sir, the support from the tutors, mentors, and resources available from the LMS are really helpful for me in understanding data science. Really helpful.
Great, Lavanya. I'm glad we are able to help you, and I'm sure we will keep helping you in the same manner. Sureka is here, our entire team is here.
Everyone,
so
everyone is
please,
polite, sir. Everyone is polite,
absolutely,
and
absolutely.
they like sir. They try to understand our problem, and they are try to give the solution for us, whatever it is the question might be. Overall experience, it's like sir. I'm very positive about it. I'm very excited to continue learning and growing at Odin School, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for those kind words, Lavanya. So one last question. This is what would be your message? అంటే ఎవరైనా డేటా సైన్స్లోకి వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను, లేదా ఓడిన్ స్కూల్ని చూస్ చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నాను అన్న వాళ్ళకి మీరు ఇచ్చే మెసేజ్ ఏంటి?
Sir, what I suggest, like sir, from my experience, నేనేం చెప్తానంటే everything is available, everything, but it should that motivation should come from your side also. Like everything I will keep it on Odin School and it has to do everything. It's not like that. Whatever part has done by the and given by the Odin School, it's perfect. But we need to keep our efforts. Then only we can get the success, because both the hands should be clapped for getting any sound and appreciation.
Absolutely,
Like that, they are giving their hands. If you don't keep your hand, we can't expect the whatever we want. So both the hands should be clapped for the better results, I suggest.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think you've put that absolutely right, Lavanya. So, yes, we are here to help, but మీరు ఆ హెల్ప్ని తీసుకోవడానికి రెడీగా ఉండాలి. అరే వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, ఇంక వాళ్ళే చూసుకుంటారనే యాటిట్యూడ్ అయితే ఇస్ నాట్ రైట్.
That attitude, and first of all, we should take off all the negative things. Like sir, previous గా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినట్టు, every penny has to be like it's not a buyer and seller concept. It's like like teacher and student. So you try,
Absolutely,
you yeah you should like keep efforts. If you didn't get anything, then approach the particular person.
Yes,
Without keeping
yes.
any efforts. If go on contact and like if you build up some negative thoughts, you can't get. End of the day, we will be the loser. That's it.
Correct. That's
Nobody will
absolutely
suffer
right.
from it.
Antyam, that's right, Lavanya. But we at Odin School, we definitely don't want anybody to suffer. We are here to help you, right? And we'll support you in every every means of this journey, right? And I wish you all the best, Lavanya. And I think
Thank you.
for the kind of efforts that you're putting, I've definitely heard good things, and that is the reason you were chosen to be part of this podcast by Sureka, right? So I
Thank you
think you're
so
on the
much,
right
sir.
path, and I really wish that you maintain this effort, this kind of determination throughout the journey. And thank you once again. I really appreciate your time and efforts to make it to this podcast, Lavan. It was great interacting with you.
Sir, thank you so much for the opportunity also, sir. So can I can express my gratitude because I'm getting this much from the boarding school. So I felt this is the best opportunity to express my gratitude, sir.
Sure. Thank you so much once again,
Thank you, sir.
Lavan.
Thank you.